Hello and welcome to this video. I'm painting a boxer breed of dog. Now the one thing I would like you to take away from this demonstration is don't be put off by the ugly stage of a painting. This particular painting is a prime example, and I had to overcome the urge to really give up and start again, as it was really looking like I would not be able to salvage anything from it. I think when you view the video, you'll agree with me that it really looks like a hopeless case.